Cabrera with a base hit, and the Giants take the lead. Arias is going to third, and he will make it. So another 2-out base hit.
Another opposite field base hit.
So that extends Melky Cabrera's hitting streak to 11 if you're keeping track of those things.
You cannot try and pull that. You'll roll right over and hit a little weak ground ball to shortstop. You stay inside it. Look at the size of that hole. With Goldschmidt, the first baseman, holding on the runner. I mean, you've got a great target to shoot for. Cabrera punched it right through.